Howdy crew, I'm here in the port of Los Angeles. Everything's going great. Working on those and just getting this critter moving. So 6 of those projects need to be done. 5 are currently done that I've finished. 1 more I'm gonna work on, so that'll be it for today. So anyways, yeah, these are the bays where the truck's back in. As y'all can see that truck over there. And then the big critters on up in the sky. Let me get one in the background for y'all. Those way down there are gonna move over, pick up that Connex box, put it on a ship or put it over here. And so yeah, everything's looking great. Very happy about it. And just enjoying being out in the field with the rig. Just been super excited for this. I knew this would happen. This has just been in the works for a long, long time, and it's here. So, booyah, booyah.